Welcome, this is an introduction to Aritco SmartLift App. Lift status is the first thing you see when you have logged in. The color indicates the overall status of the lift. If you scroll down, you get more details. If there is a problem with the lift, you can see it in this example. If you pull down, the lift status will be refreshed. Features menu. Under Features, the user can control the settings of the lift. DesignLight. Here you can set your favorite lighting. You can configure the light settings like different timeouts and dim levels, and if you have purchased the optional colored LEDs, you can also change the color of the shaft lights. Child lock. With child lock, you can choose to disable the lift, so it cannot be operated from the platform, to stop, for example, small children from playing in the lift. Floor lock. If you want to restrict access to a certain floor of your house, you can lock the floor from the app. Speed configuration. For markets not covered by the CE or UKCA certification requirement, you can opt for a high-speed version of the lift, and with speed configuration you can set the travel speed from the app. Lift info menu. Under Lift info, you have service, usage, lift information, and contact. Service. Here you see the current maintenance status of your lift, and you see when it's time for next service. Usage. Under usage, you see how much you are using your lift with both the monthly number of rides and a rolling 3-month average. Lift information. Under lift information, we display a number of technical data about your lift and its usage. Contact and support. To make it easier to reach out and get in touch with an Aritco partner, we have the Reseller Map where you can search for a partner in your area. Settings menu. Under Settings, we have Log Out and Delete My Account. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.